Apple is planning to make its Pro iPhones stand out even more by giving them bigger screens. Instead of having the same size screens as the regular iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus, they'll have 4 different screen sizes to choose from this year. Well-known Apple analysts and leaked CAD schematics suggest that the iPhone 16 Pro will have a 6.27-inch OLED screen. This size might be rounded up to 6.3 inches in the official specifications. Similarly, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to feature a 6.85-inch display, which could be marketed as 6.9 inches. To increase the display size by 0.2 inches, Apple reportedly requested its main iPhone 16 Pro display suppliers, Samsung and LG, to use a technique called border reduction structure. This involves minimizing the inactive area around the edges necessary for display driver circuitry by attaching it as closely as possible to the screen. Particularly concerning the bottom bezel, which houses the display driver circuitry, trimming it down will be the most challenging aspect for LG and Samsung. Both companies reportedly informed Apple that they cannot improve production yield further due to the more demanding display manufacturing requirements. LG especially faces the challenge of cutting manufacturing costs as it doesn't benefit from economies of scale like Samsung does, since it supplies only half of Samsung's output for Apple. According to reports from the ELEC, LG has found a solution by diversifying its display driver circuitry supplier. Instead of depending solely on one IC maker, it has introduced a second supplier, Novatech from Taiwan. By diversifying suppliers for the thinner bottom bezel of the Apple iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max, LG can produce screens more affordably while meeting Apple's production standards. This move could enable Apple to control costs and potentially offer the iPhone 16 Pro line at the same price as the iPhone 15 Pro despite the larger screens. Recent rumors suggest that the iPhone 16 Pro Max could feature a larger battery than its predecessor, possibly leading to the longest battery life ever seen in an iPhone. According to a user on Naver named Use1122, the new model might last around 30 hours compared to the 29 hours of the previous model, thanks to a reported 5% increase in battery size. This could mean a battery capacity of around 4,676 mAh compared to the previous model's 4,422 mAh battery. Even though the increase in battery size might seem small, improvements in power efficiency from both software and hardware changes could contribute to better overall battery performance. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to continue using an L-shaped battery configuration, which helps conserve internal space while maintaining battery capacity. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.